Good? Okay, so myself and Evan, the guy holding the camera, I think we've successfully completed one of the best Rube Goldbergs ever. So it's going to start off, the idea is that you're in bed and the alarm goes off. So the phone, my phone, will be the alarm, which will then vibrate, sliding down, knocking the weight off, which is attached to this. So this drops. The weight then slides down the zip line, hitting this marble held in place by the piece of tape. So it ricochets off all of this, all the elastic bands, down the canal of tubes, hits the golf ball pendulum off, which swings, hitting the bottom of this, which pulls this away, and the marble is then released from its place, which then slides down all three wall tubes. Marble comes out at the end, triggering the mousetrap with the block of wood on it. The block of wood then is shot towards the backboard, which then nudges this piece of black pipe, which then nudges this blue marble here, which then drops down into the first sealing tube. And the marble travels through...
Ow. You can cut this.
Travels through these sealing tubes, drops down, picking up speed, which knocks off the glass golf ball, which swings, hitting its lowest point, will pull the ceiling fan chain, which then causes the ceiling fan to rotate. These weights will then spin around until at the perfect velocity, they will hit this trigger, which will fling down, starting the domino set. After the domino set has been triggered, it will come here, which then hits this last domino, which will then fall, causing this to fall, releasing the golf ball, which will then slide down the ramp, hitting this roll of tape, which will knock off this tape that is attached to the ground, which will release this weight, dropping it on the tape, which will then send the coiled coat hanger egg contraption towards the knife, puncturing the egg and releasing the yolk and whites into the jar.
In 3, 2, 1. Are you? It worked. Kind of. Alright, so we were trying to do this with the mousetrap like in our original idea, but once again it wasn't working, so it was really inconsistent and wasn't really hitting the target very often. So we set up this kind of domino with books and stuff, just to get the same effect in knocking this, so that it would start the marble into the roof pipes. Yeah, so right now it looks like this is working, and it'll be in our final run. So yeah. Okay, it's really late, and our previous idea with the knives wasn't working very well. The eggs weren't breaking, so we're going with a new design where we're just dropping it into a pan. Unfortunately, it went before we were actually filming, and it missed, but it worked quite well, and the yolk didn't even break, even though it landed on the counter. So we're going to try it again. Hopefully we get it in the pan this time, and get the same result. No shell. Wish us luck.